Mass production of game controllers, the heart of the industry in Chinese factories. In a world where video games have become one of the most lucrative and popular industries, game controllers are the bridge between the player and the digital universe. These seemingly simple devices are the result of a complex production process carried out in Chinese factories, known for their ability to mass-produce high-quality products at low cost. This article explores how these controllers are manufactured, the challenges companies face, and the impact of this production on the global video game industry. The epicenter of manufacturing, Chinese factories. China is the world's largest manufacturer of game controllers. Cities like Shenzhen, known as the Silicon Valley of hardware, are home to some of the most technologically advanced factories. These facilities not only produce controllers for major brands like Sony, Microsoft, and Nintendo, but also for a variety of companies that manufacture devices compatible with multiple platforms. The manufacturing process begins with design and engineering. Video game companies work closely with Chinese engineers to develop prototypes that meet quality and ergonomic standards. Once the design is approved, mass production begins, which can involve manufacturing hundreds of thousands of units per month. The production process, precision, and speed. Manufacturing video game controllers is a highly automated process, but it still requires skilled labor. Factories use injection molding machines to create the plastic shells, which are then assembled with electronic components such as buttons, joysticks, and printed circuit boards. Each component must be assembled with millimeter precision to ensure the controller functions correctly. Workers perform quality tests at every stage of the process, from button durability to wireless connectivity. Stress tests are also conducted to ensure the controllers can withstand intensive use during hours of gameplay. However, the speed of production is not without its challenges. The demand for video game controllers fluctuates with the release of new consoles and games. Factories must be able to quickly increase or decrease production to meet these fluctuations, which requires careful logistical planning. The challenges of mass manufacturing. Despite their efficiency, Chinese factories face several challenges. One of the main ones is the shortage of electronic components, especially semiconductors, which has been exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical tensions. This shortage has led to production delays and increased costs, which are eventually passed on to the end consumer. Another challenge is the pressure to reduce production costs. Video game companies seek to maintain competitive prices, which often involves negotiating lower prices with manufacturers. This can lead to cuts in profit margins for factories, which in turn can affect product quality if not managed properly. Furthermore, there is growing concern about working conditions in Chinese factories. Although many companies have implemented ethical and sustainability standards, there are still reports of grueling workdays and low wages. Western companies are under pressure to ensure their products are manufactured ethically, leading to stricter audits and certifications. The impact on the global video game industry. The mass production of video game controllers in China has a significant impact on the global industry. On the one hand, it allows companies to keep their product prices low, which is essential for competing in a highly competitive market. On the other hand, reliance on Chinese factories also entails risks, such as supply chain disruptions due to external factors like pandemics or trade conflicts. However, China's ability to produce on a large scale and at low cost has enabled rapid growth in the video game industry. Video game controllers are now more accessible than ever, which has contributed to market expansion and the popularization of video games as a form of global entertainment. Looking ahead, as technology advances, so do video game controllers. Chinese factories are beginning to experiment with new materials, such as biodegradable plastics and lightweight metals, to create more durable and sustainable controllers. They are also exploring new technologies. Technologies such as haptic feedback and motion controls require even more complex manufacturing processes. Furthermore, the growing demand for customized and limited edition controllers is driving factories to adopt more flexible production techniques. This includes 3D printing and mass customization, which allow consumers to design their own controllers with unique colors and designs. In conclusion, the mass production of video game controllers in Chinese factories is a complex and dynamic process that plays a crucial role in the global video game industry. Although it faces challenges, its ability to produce high-quality devices at low cost has allowed video games to become one of the most popular forms of entertainment in the world. As technology continues to evolve, these factories will remain at the heart of a constantly growing industry.